If you want to remove a link from the navigation bar in Gamma, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open your Gamma site, find the navigation settings, remove the link you no longer want, and then save and publish the changes so your site is updated properly. This is a simple fix, but if you're managing a polished website or a client project, knowing how to clean up your navigation can make a big difference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Gamma site project and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your project loads, look for the three dot menu or any site options button near the top or side of the screen. This is where Gamma usually keeps the important editing tools for your site. Click on that menu and then choose Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, you want to look for the navigation bar section. This is the area that controls the links and items shown across the top of your site. Once you're in the navigation settings, find the specific link you want to remove. It could be an old page, a temporary link, or just something you no longer want visitors to see. Next to that link, you should see a remove or delete option. Click that option to take the link out of the navigation bar. Be careful to only remove the link you want, especially if your site has multiple menu items. After that, double check that the navigation bar now looks the way you want it to. If everything is correct, save your changes. Then go ahead and publish the site again so the updated navigation goes live for your visitors. Once the publishing is complete, your selected link will be removed from the Gamma site navigation bar, and that's it. Quick, simple, and done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.